So what is the purpose of all this? So what is the purpose of going to the mountain?
I think I already answered to this question, but I want to explain about more concept based on Shugendo. As you may know, Shugendo is a syncretization of Shinto and Buddhism. There are reasons in both teachings. We perform Shinto ritual every morning to keep the order of yin-yang. Yoshida Shinto teaches that the yin day refreshes souls and the day of yang purifies them. When this order is perfectly active, the energy of heaven and earth comes into our body through our six organs of sense called Rokko. Then the function of gender and life is built in our body as a human. I can say that Rokko is a kind of bridge between the spiritual world and us. Next, let me teach about the basic concept of Buddhism regarding the three clashes that poison the heart of man and bono, earthly desires of avarice, anger, and stupidity. Buddhism tells us that the source of these earthly desire is illusion brought by Lokkon. That is why we have to work on Lokkon Shoujo, which are the word we often chant during mountain training. It means to purify our Lokkon. Both Shinto and Buddhism teach that Lokkon must be purified and clean because if it is become dirty, the bridge between spiritual world and earth will be cut off, and it becomes the source of earthly desires. The best way to refine our lokon is mountain training. We climb up to the peak because that is the crossing point between heaven and earth, where spiritual energy comes into our body directly. We can remove the rust from our soul. That is the meaning of Rokkon Shoujo.